right? Now we gotta see how the hell we're gonna fit them in there. The box, no. Alright, I don't know if you guys noticed, but the wheels are back. The aluminum color. Took the dip off and everything. Car's still on the car cover. Picked up something last night for the V that I've been wanting. I don't think I've ever had a set of these for any car that I've owned. Well, at least something like this. So let's go ahead and what do you guys think it is? If you should know what it is by that. But what model do you think they are? Also got a brand new set of tires on the inside, so let me go ahead and cut this tape off, and then I have to test fit them before I take them up there and mount and balance them. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut this tape off these boxes, open them up, and then you guys can see them with me. Let's take our first look at the new rear drag pack setup, man. I'm excited. I'm super excited. So we got our Weld care. I guess it tells you how to clean them, polish them, and everything. Really don't need that. Car stays clean pretty much under car cover. Paperwork. We got our Weld Racing sticker. Ooh. Ooh. Boy, if you don't get... Alright, let me quit playing. Hey. So we picked up a set of Weld wheels, brand new from Summit Racing. I believe these are the RS7, something like that. I can't remember. And I picked up a brand new set of Mickey Thompson tires for the rear. So we should be hooking and bucking after I get this set up. So right now what I'm going to do is jack the V up, take off that stock wheel, and then test fit this wheel to make sure it fits before I get the tires and wheel mounted and balanced and everything. So I'm going to test fit these real quick, and I got to take off these stock wheels. Let me know what you guys think, man. What you think about these? Are they nice? And then I got to show you guys the tires and everything after that. Alright, what do you guys think, man? Seems to clear. Everything seems to look like it fits and everything. It can still use my locking lug nuts that I had bought. Everything seems to be good with it. I still got to put the tires and everything on it. But this is just a test fit because they said to make sure that they fit before getting them out and balanced and everything. I mean, it seems like they fit pretty good. Clears the big brake kit. It's not touching anywhere, nothing like that. So I think we're good to go. Now I just got to get the tires mounted and balanced, and then we should be good. And of course, the day that I decided to get the wheels mounted and balanced, I just picked them up. It decides to rain and be Texas, but today is really probably the most decent day that we have. It's supposed to rain literally all week this week, all week next week, like literally pouring down. But Thursday I will be going to California, so I'll be getting some good footage out there in California. So make sure y'all stay tuned and hit the like and subscribe button for that. I'll be going to Cali. So right now, waiting till Summit open since they're doing the free mount and balance on the tires and wheels since I got them from there. Let's see if you guys can see the meat. So we got a set of Mickey Thompson ET Streets. These are 305 45 17s because the Welds are 17-inch tires, 17-inch wheels, sorry. And these are the meats that we picked up. Beautiful. Probably give you guys a better look whenever I get them out of the car. But right now I gotta keep them in here. This rain, man, it was so clear. The V was so clean. I was hoping that I was able to probably get some shots. I'd have to probably pull up somewhere so I can get some shots of it with the wheels and everything, but I'm waiting on the time. Hopefully it doesn't start thunderstorming and everything so I can head out there. But make sure y'all stay tuned, and we'll head to the Summit. All right, guys, we are in the V. Just started it up. There's a better look at the tires from the inside of the car. I don't know if you guys can see it. The other wheel is right here. 2 rear Mickey Thompsons. Now we're gonna head out to Summit, try to get these installed, man. ET Streets 305-45-17. I don't know if you guys can see that. Probably get a better look when I get outside the car, but yeah, now it's time to back the car out, head here, and then try to get these wheels installed. The wheels, basically what I was gonna say, I'm driving over there now. The wheels are extremely light, so if you guys are planning on getting a pair of those Welds that I picked up, they're like super light. I mean, you can just pick it up with your damn finger. They're extremely light, so I feel like I'm gonna feel a pretty decent difference between the stock wheels and those, because the stock wheels, they do have some weight to them, and those Weld wheels are extremely light. When I picked them up out, even inside the box, I felt like the wheels weren't in the box. That's how light they were. I was like, are the wheels in here? So yeah, so we opened it up. I was like, damn, like the wheels are extremely light. So we're about to throw these boys on there. I just wanted to throw that in there just in case anybody else wanted to pick up these wheels. They are lightweight, extremely lightweight. So it should make a big ass difference. I'm just trying to make it before the rain, man. It seems like it's gonna start storming pretty bad. So I just want to get these wheels on here and get it back to the house, and then put it back up in the driveway, probably cover it back up. I usually don't drive the car in the rain. I've never driven this car in the rain, so I'm trying to just hurry up, get it, and get it back. I don't like driving these cars in the rain, my cars in general, because people don't know how to drive over here in Texas, man. Like, it starts raining, all you see is hazard lights all over the freeway because people don't want to drive. They drive extremely slow. There's crashes everywhere every 5 minutes, so I just like to get what I need to get done and then come back home. So I'll see you guys when I get to something.
Things speeding through the city. Panoramic brain in my dead.
Alright guys, well that was kind of a waste of time and gas driving over here to Summit, man. I came over here to get the wheels and tires, balance and everything, and nobody's here to do it. It's 9 o'clock. Well, it's like 9:30. They open at 9. It's 9:30. I get here and nobody's here to mount and balance the tires like they're supposed to do for free. So that's fucking stupid. And then I told them about my TPMS sensors, and they were like, well, we don't even mount the tires on the car or nothing. We just put the wheels on the tires and then we roll them out to you, stuff like that. You know, I don't care about that, but I'm worried about my TPMS sensors. And they're like, oh, we don't put the TPMS sensors on the wheel. That's stupid, man. I was just like, you know what, I'll just go to my tire shop and just do it, man. I don't get how y'all have y'all shop and you're supposed to do it for free, but y'all don't even have nobody here to do it. That's stupid, man. It's pissing me off. Maybe drive all the way over here for no fucking reason. So now I'm headed back towards my house, which literally the tire shop that I'm going to is literally down the street from my house. So I could have just went there. So that's where I'm going, where I usually take all my cars from the other videos to get the tires and stuff done. So I'm gonna head there and then get these tires mount and balance, get my TPMS sensors put back in, and then I'll see you guys. My YouTube channel, bro. Bruh? Yeah. Should I put drag ratings? Yeah, I got some Mickey Thompsons back there. Alright guys, we are rolling with the new wheels and tires, man. I gotta say, it makes the V look mean, man. It looks aggressive. I just did one pull right now. It's still burnt through first and second gear, but it was gripping pretty good. After that, it just gripped and went. It wasn't skating, it wasn't going side to side like it usually does, and it gripped. So I'm gonna pull up to the gas station. I gotta put gas in, and then I'll give you guys a peek of the car and a look at it while I'm at the gas station to pump some gas. So I hope you guys like it, man. I think it makes the car look wild, man. It makes it look intimidating, but we're gonna check it out right now. Alright guys, here it is. Alright guys, here she is, man. The new surprise. We got the Weld Drag Pack for the rear, man. Makes the whole car look great. It actually looks better without the black on the front wheels, but man, we got some meat on there. 305, 45, 17s. Probably gonna have to do a burnout video pretty soon or something. So, but it's starting to rain, so I'm trying to hurry up and get the other wheels taken out before I start pouring down. But looks good now. She got some meat. She's wide back here, man. Super wide. And I thought the gap was gonna be huge, but now that she settled back down, it looks good back there. So, woo, man. Let me know what you guys think, man. Hit that like button, subscribe. We got more for the V coming, man. I'm trying to work my way with cam, E85, and everything else. We already got full bolt-ons, ported blower, snout, all that, pulley. So we're good, but we just need to get the cam E85. So make sure y'all hit that like, subscribe, support the channel. I'm trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, man. I'm trying to reach 1,000. We're at 700 and something, which is good. We just needed 300 more if we could hit 1,000 subscribers, man. I appreciate y'all liking, supporting the channel. But let me know what y'all think about the V with the blacked out windows, the blacked out trim, everything, the new welds, man. She looks good. She looks good, man. It's my dream car, and it's crazy to see it coming together like this. I never really thought that I would get a car like this and have it looking like this, man. But this is crazy, man. And I appreciate y'all support, man. Hit that like, subscribe button.